Good morning, students. Welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are fine and safe. Students, look at the picture. Who is the man in the picture? And what do you know about him? Students, the man in the picture was a daredevil pilot, an unstoppable freedom fighter, 2 times Chief Minister of Odisha, Kingmaker of Janata Parivar, Security Advisor to first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhumiputra of Indonesia or son of the soil, Bhumiputra or son of the soil of Indonesia, founder of UNESCO Kalinga Award, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organizations Kalinga Award on Science. Students, Biju Patnaik was a star for crores of Odias who was born in Odisha but made the entire nation proud. Students, and the aircraft in the picture is a Dakota. The aircraft in the picture is a Dakota. Students, the Douglas C-47 Skytrain or a Dakota is a military transport aircraft developed from the civilian Douglas DC-3 airliner, and it was extensively used by the Allies during the Second World War and remained in frontline service with various military operators for many years. Students, Biju Patnaik was a born daredevil and a risk taker. He was a symbol of courage, bravery and adventure, and this part of his nature is seen in his life both as a pilot and a politician. Students, what the brave horse Chetak was to Rana Pratap, the Dakotas were same to Biju Patnaik. So students, let's read the chapter Biju Patnaik and his Dakotas to know about the great freedom fighter, the great daredevil pilot Biju Patnaik. So let's read the sense group paragraph 1 of the chapter Biju Patnaik and his Dakotas. Biju Patnaik and his Dakotas, sense group paragraph 1. Biju Patnaik was a born daredevil and risk taker, a symbol of courage, bravery and adventure. This part of his nature is seen in his life as a pilot and a politician. What the brave horse Chetak was to Rana Pratap, the Dakotas were to Biju Patnaik. How Biju got his first Dakota is itself a great story of adventure and courage. Biju by then had started the Bhubaneswar Flying Club. The Second World War was over. A lot of military planes were lying unused at the American Air Base at Panagarh near Kolkata. Many of these Dakotas were used as the transport aircrafts to carry materials to war sites. Biju wanted to buy one of them for his Bhubaneswar Flying Club. When Biju was about to fly an aircraft to Panagarh, some of his friends rushed to him, requesting him not to fly as a heavy storm was building up. But Biju, the daredevil, ignored their warning and said, "This is Biju's plane which flies during a storm," and took off. He stayed at Panagarh, got a Dakota repaired with great difficulty and returned to Bhubaneswar with his first Dakota. Students, as we have discussed, Biju Patnaik was a born daredevil. What do you mean by daredevil? Daredevil means a person who does dangerous things and takes risks and take risks, or a person who is very daring, or a daring person is called a daredevil. So students, Biju Patnaik was a born daredevil and he was a risk taker. What do you mean by risk taker? A person who always ready to take risks without thinking about the consequences. He jumps into the field and he takes the risks without thinking about consequences. So Biju Patnaik was a born daredevil and risk taker, and he was a symbol of courage, bravery and adventure. Okay, so quality of doing or facing dangerous things. He has the courage of facing or doing the dangerous things, and he was known for his brave actions. Bravery means doing brave actions, and also he was known for his adventure. Adventure means doing exciting work and doing the works which are full of risks. Okay, the works which are full of risks, doing the works which are full of risks, and also doing very exciting work. So Biju Patnaik was a born daredevil. He was a risk taker and who was a symbol of bravery, courage and adventure. And students, this part of his nature has remained in his life both as a pilot and a politician. And students, as we have discussed, what the brave horse Chetak was to Rana Pratap, the Dakotas were same to Biju Patnaik. Students, as we have discussed, the Dakotas were the military aircrafts, or Dakotas were the military aircrafts, and these aircrafts are extensively used during the Second World War for transporting different types of or supplying different types of things to the soldiers. During the Second World War, Dakotas were extensively used. Okay, so what the brave horse Chetak was to Rana Pratap, the Dakotas were same to Biju Patnaik. Students, how Biju Patnaik got his first Dakota was a story of a great courage and adventure. So Biju Patnaik by then had started the Bhubaneswar Flying Club. The Second World War was over and a lot of Dakotas were lying unused at the American Air Base or at the American Airport at Panagarh near Kolkata. And Biju wanted to purchase a Dakota for his Bhubaneswar Flying Club, okay, which he had started. So in order to purchase a Dakota for his Bhubaneswar Flying Club, he wanted to fly to Panagarh near Kolkata. So Biju was about to fly to Panagarh in order to purchase a Dakota, So suddenly his friends rushed near him or came near him, and what they told? They told that they advised him not to fly up, okay, not to take up, because a very dangerous storm is developing. A storm means actually when the weather condition is very extreme due to heavy rain or due to heavy wind and thunder and lightning, etc. So it is called a storm-like situation. So when Biju was about to take up to Panagarh in order to purchase a Dakota, so his friends rushed near him and told him not to take up or not to fly to Panagarh because a very severe storm was developing. But Biju, the daredevil, don't pay any attention to them and told, this is Biju's plane. This is Biju's plane which flies during the storm. Okay, this is Biju's plane which flies during the storm, and he took off. He took off to Panagarh and he flew to Panagarh, and there with great difficulty he repaired a Dakota and he returned back to Bhubaneswar. This is how he got his first Dakota, and this was also a story of adventure. So students, in this portion we have discussed that Biju Patnaik is a great daredevil, okay, and a man of courage, a man of bravery and a man of adventure, and who was not only known in Odisha, but also he was a star for several countries of the world. So Biju Patnaik was a star for crores of Odiyas who was born in Odisha but made the entire nation proud for his bravery, for his courage, for his adventure. And in this portion we have discussed that Biju Patnaik as a great pilot, how he was always ready to take risks, how he was always ready to jump into action without thinking about the consequences, and how as a daredevil pilot he always want to take the risks even if a storm was developing, but still he dared by saying it is Biju's plane which flies during the storm. He took up to Panagarh and with great difficulty repaired Dakota and returned back to Bhubaneswar with his fast Dakota. Okay, students, this is the theme of the sense group paragraph 1. So let's find out some new words from this portion and try to use these new words into meaningful sentences of our own. So the first word is daredevil. First word is daredevil. Students, daredevil is a noun, a person who does dangerous things and takes risks. Or very daring person, or very daring person. Let's use it into a meaningful sentence. He is a daredevil and never afraid of anything, and never afraid of anything. Okay, students, daredevil means a person who does dangerous things and takes risks, or a very daring person is called a daredevil. So we have used in a meaningful sentence, he is a daredevil and never afraid of anything. Next one is risk taker. Next one is risk taker. Risk taker, students, risk taker, a person willing to take risks. A person willing to take risk and does heroic work, and does heroic work. Heroic work, okay? A person willing to take risks and does heroic work is called a risk taker. Let's use it in a meaningful sentence. Are you a risk taker? Are you a risk taker? Next word is, student, courage. Next word is courage. Courage is a noun. Students, the ability to control your fear in a dangerous or difficult situation, or difficult situation, situation or quality of doing or facing dangerous work. Quality of doing or facing dangerous work. Quality of facing or doing dangerous, quality of doing or facing dangerous work. Students, let's use it into a meaningful sentence. I know you have the courage. To talk to him. I know you have the courage to talk to him. I know you have the courage to talk to him. So next word is bravery. Bravery is noun, means brave behavior. Brave behavior or action or actions. Let's use it in a meaningful sentence. They were awarded medals for their bravery. Next word is, students, adventure. Adventure means daring and exciting work. Daring and exciting work. Let's use it into a meaningful sentence. He likes adventure. And students, last word is rust. Rust, original verb is rus, ran to the spot. Let's use it. So students, original verb is rus and its meaning is ran to the spot. Rust means ran to the spot. Example, or let's use it in a meaningful sentence. I rushed to the spot of accident. I rushed to the spot of accident. Okay, students, today we have completed the sense group paragraph 1 of the chapter Biju Patnaik and his Dakotas. Students, you read this sense group paragraph 1 thoroughly and try to answer the comprehension questions based on the text. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.